Hey guys, what is up, and welcome to another Monopoly Go tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you guys how to do is how to send your stickers, which you have duplicates of, to your friends. As I've said, you need to have duplicates of these stickers, meaning if you only have one copy of a certain sticker, this will not work. You need to have at least two to send it to your friends. Now, once we covered that, let's go on to how you can actually send these stickers. And how you do that is by accessing your album in the album tab on the bottom right. And once you click that, you will see all your collections from all your stickers, guys. As you can see, I have a lot of stickers in several collections, and I know I have duplicates in the Adventures of Thor collection, which I will click on to see these stickers. As you can see in the bottom left of this grid, I have 3 stickers which I have duplicates of, them being Mjolnir, Colossal, and Flame Bridge. And the way I actually can send these stickers, guys, is by clicking on any one of them. Once I do, this screen will pop up with a big send to friend button, which you press to send it to your friends. One thing you have to note, guys, is you can only send a maximum of 5 stickers to your friends each day, so be careful not to go overboard while trading your cars, because then you'll be blocked off for the entire day and then you can't send stickers anymore during that entire day. Now, how to actually do this and send the sticker is to click the big send a friend button, of course, and once you click that, you will be presented with a list of all your friends, which you can then select each one, any one of them, to actually send them a sticker. Let's say this first guy, I'll select him, and this question will pop up. Once you're in this prompt, what you want to do is you need to click the send button to confirm that you want to send this to your friend, and then that sticker will be sent to your friend and they will receive the sticker as advertised. That has been it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something new. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in another video.